Welcome to your wealth building journey, where we explore the path from $0 to $100,000 by 2025. Imagine having $100,000 in your bank account. Sounds like a dream? Let's turn that dream into reality. Starting with nothing can feel daunting, but the key is to take action now. Every step you take today brings you closer to financial independence. This guide is crafted for young individuals eager to transform their financial futures. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of wealth accumulation, tailored specifically for you. The process begins with understanding the power of starting early and staying consistent. Throughout this series, we'll provide you with strategies and tools to achieve this ambitious goal. From saving tactics to income generation, each segment will bring you closer to that $100,000 mark. So whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to change their financial narrative, this journey is for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the first step, assessing your current financial status and laying the groundwork for success. Your path to wealth starts here. Let's embark on it together. Before you embark on the journey to financial independence, it's vital to understand exactly where you stand. Recognizing your current financial status is the first step towards building wealth. Begin by evaluating your income and expenses. Ask yourself, how much do you earn each month? Where does your money go? This analysis will uncover patterns in your spending and identify areas for improvement. Understanding these details can reveal hidden opportunities for saving and investing. It's like setting a foundation before building a house. Without it, your financial plans might crumble. By acknowledging your present financial landscape, you prepare yourself to make informed decisions. This knowledge empowers you to set realistic goals and strategies that align with your lifestyle and aspirations. Remember, you can't chart a course to $100,000 without knowing your starting point. As we delve deeper into wealth-building strategies, let this understanding guide you. Up next, we'll explore how to set clear financial goals, paving the way for success. Stay tuned as we continue this journey towards financial empowerment and wealth creation. Goals are your roadmap to financial success. Let's set them together. Starting with zero savings can feel overwhelming, but setting clear financial goals is the first step in your wealth-building journey. Imagine the confidence you'll gain by having a defined path forward. First, let's talk about short-term goals. These are achievable within months, like saving for an emergency fund or paying off a small debt. They provide quick wins and keep you motivated. Next, consider your long-term goals. These might include saving for a down payment on a house or building a retirement fund. Long-term goals require patience and persistence, but offer the most significant rewards. Remember, the key is to make your goals specific, measurable, and realistic. By writing down your goals and tracking your progress, you create a tangible plan to guide your saving strategy. This approach not only keeps you focused, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. In the next segment, we'll explore how to develop a budget strategy that complements these goals, ensuring your path to $100,000 is clear and achievable. Stay tuned as we continue this journey to financial empowerment. Welcome to the heart of your financial journey, building a budget strategy. Here's where we lay the groundwork for your path to financial success. A budget isn't just numbers on a page. It's your best ally in reaching that $100,000 goal by 2025. First, let's craft a budget that truly works for you. One that not only tracks every dollar earned, but also every cent spent. This is crucial because understanding your cash flow gives you control over your financial destiny. A solid budget is the bedrock of financial growth, allowing you to see where you can save more and spend less. It's about making informed decisions with confidence. Remember, every great financial journey starts with a plan, and your budget is that plan. It empowers you to prioritize what matters most and cut out what doesn't serve your goals. Now that we've set the stage for a robust budget, let's move forward to explore how you can boost your income streams and accelerate your journey to wealth. In the next segment, we'll dive into creative strategies to enhance your earnings, ensuring you're not only saving, but also growing your income in diverse ways. Increasing your income is a pivotal step on your journey to $100,000. It's not just about saving more, but also earning more. Let's explore side hustles and additional income sources that can significantly boost your financial progress. Consider leveraging skills or passions into a part-time endeavor that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's freelance work, tutoring, or selling handmade crafts online, the possibilities are vast. The goal is to maximize your earning potential by diversifying your income streams. Think creatively and strategically about how you can turn your time into extra cash. Remember, every extra dollar you earn accelerates your path to financial success. As you explore these options, focus on what aligns with your interests and schedule. The right side hustle not only generates income, but also brings personal satisfaction and growth. Now let's dive deeper into these strategies and see how they can fit into your financial plan. Transitioning into our next segment, we'll explore how to save smartly and efficiently. These savings techniques will ensure that every dollar earned is working towards your $100,000 goal. So stay tuned as we unlock more secrets to financial success. Imagine a future where saving money is not a chore, but a seamless part of your daily life. Welcome to the world of effective saving strategies. In this segment, we delve into the art of automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved without a second thought. It's like paying yourself first, effortlessly. But that's just the beginning. Cutting unnecessary expenses is another powerful strategy. Take a moment to review your spending habits. Identify areas where you can trim the fat. Perhaps it's that extra coffee every morning or the unused subscription that silently drains your account. By consciously reducing these expenditures, you free up more money to put towards your savings goals. These techniques may seem simple, but they are incredibly effective in helping you grow your wealth over time. Remember, every dollar saved today is a step closer to achieving financial independence by 2025. Next, we'll explore how investing wisely can further enhance your financial growth. Stay tuned as we uncover the basics of smart investments that can transform your savings into a robust financial future. Investing is often perceived as a privilege reserved for the wealthy, but that's far from the truth. In this segment, we'll explore the basics of investment options available to everyone, regardless of financial status. Starting with understanding stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, we'll demystify these terms and show how they can be part of your wealth-building strategy. Investing wisely is a cornerstone of financial growth, and it begins with making informed choices. But investing isn't just about where to put your money, it's about managing risks too. We'll discuss simple risk management techniques that protect your investments from unforeseen market fluctuations. By diversifying your portfolio, you can minimize potential losses and maximize gains. Remember, every successful investor started as a beginner. With patience and strategic planning, you can grow your wealth significantly. So whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in investing before, this is your opportunity to learn and grow. Let's move forward with confidence, knowing that your financial future is in your hands. Up next, we will delve into tracking your financial progress, ensuring that every step you take brings you closer to that $100,000 goal by 2025. Reaching financial goals is more than just a one-time task. It's a continuous journey. As we navigate towards our target of $100,000, regularly reviewing your financial goals becomes crucial. This constant vigilance allows you to see how far you've come and what adjustments may be necessary to stay on track. Whether it's tweaking your budget, exploring new income opportunities, or refining your saving strategies, the ability to adapt is key. By keeping a close eye on your progress, you're not just maintaining momentum, but actively steering towards success. Monitoring your progress keeps you aligned with your goals. Let's see how. Imagine setting aside a few moments each month to reflect on your financial journey. This isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about ensuring your strategies are effective and your aspirations are still within reach. This regular check-in empowers you to celebrate small victories and recalibrate when needed, keeping you motivated and on course. As we move forward, remember that continuous monitoring is the compass guiding you to financial empowerment. Up next, we'll explore how to overcome financial challenges and keep moving towards our goal. Stay tuned as we delve into dealing with setbacks and maintaining your drive on this wealth-building journey. Life is full of unexpected turns, and financial setbacks are no exception. But remember, it's not the challenges that define us, it's how we respond to them. When faced with unexpected expenses, it's crucial to remain calm and reassess your financial strategy. Consider setting aside a small emergency fund to cushion the blow of unforeseen costs. This way, you maintain your financial momentum, even in tough times. Staying motivated is key. Remind yourself why you started this journey towards $100,000 in the first place. Reflect on the goals you've set and the progress you've made so far. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Adopt a mindset that views challenges as stepping stones rather than obstacles. You're building a foundation for your future, and overcoming these hurdles is part of that process. With determination and a strategic approach, you can turn setbacks into setups for success. So stay focused, adjust your plans as needed, and keep your eyes on the prize. Next, we'll explore how to bring all these strategies together and take decisive action towards achieving your financial dreams. Remember, every step counts on this journey to $100,000. As we reach the end of our journey, let's reflect on the powerful strategies we've explored. From assessing your financial status to setting clear goals, crafting a budget, and discovering ways to boost your income, each step brings you closer to that $100,000 mark. Saving and investing wisely are not just options, but essential tools in your financial toolkit. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Today is your opportunity to take control of your financial future. Embrace these strategies and start implementing them in your life. The road to $100,000 is not a distant dream. It's a realistic goal within your reach. Take action now. Equip yourself with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the financial challenges ahead. Your path to $100,000 starts here, starts today. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and watch as you transform your financial landscape. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. We hope this guide inspires you to achieve the financial success you desire by 2025. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. So why wait? Start today and make your dreams a reality.